Welcome back once again. Now we are going to continue with the tutorials. In our last video, we learned about how to create package. Okay. Now we are going to test the product and see if it will be able to provision when someone pay for the product. Okay. So to do that, first let's come back here. I will click order. So I'm here as a user. Okay, good. I'm here as a user. So right now, I don't want to register a new domain. So I'll go for, I will use my existing domain and I will enter the domain name here. Let me enter the domain name here. Let me remove the good. So that is kafamgh.com. Okay. So I will select, I will use that. Okay. I have to enter .com and click, I will use that. Okay, so we have only one package, so it has been selected automatically. Okay, good. So I will go to checkout and it's 00 because I have to fill this gap before I can continue. So let me pause the video and complete. I have to fill all these details. Okay, so let me pause the video for now. Okay, so I'm done. I've entered my name here, phone number, company name, address, location, region, and everything. Okay, my password and the payment. I've selected this one and I can now decide to click place order. Okay, good. So it's successful. Okay, now let's go back to the client area and we can see that we have one services here. Let me click services. And this is our services. Okay. Now for us to confirm if this product has been provisioned, first let's come back here, refresh. Let's click on the logo to refresh it. We can see pending order. Let me click on that. And it's waiting, it's complete. Okay. It's complete. We can just accept the order. This is it doesn't mean that it has not been completed. It's completed, as you can see here, but we can decide to accept the order or cancel the order. But let's go to our server and see if we have the account has been added. Okay, so I will first refresh the page here. Good. And let's see, let's come back to accounts and we can see the domain Kafam. Okay, the domain name here. This is the person who bought the account name. I hope you do remember. Let me take you back. Let me check my details here. Let me show you. Okay, so let's come back here. Details, account details. You can see that my email is info, and you see earlier we were not having something like this here and it has been added. Okay, so if I click here, it will open. So as you can see, the person who can now see this. Okay, it has been added. Okay, this is the welcome page. Later I will change this, okay, so that it will be in the form of CrowdHost brand, because it won't be fair if someone sees this. So I will just change this later. Okay, don't worry. So let me cancel that. So you see, everything is done automatically. Okay, after making the payment, the account has been added. So here you see all the list of accounts. Okay, that will be added or yes, when someone buy a hosting package from your reseller account. Okay, is it not beautiful? So far so good. This was about how to test for that. Thank you for watching. We will continue in our next tutorial. Bye bye.